Hi guys, it's me Courtney and I'm back with another video, period. You already know what's going on. So you read the title correctly. This is gonna be my moving day / Chicago apartment loft tour. I am so grateful to be here. I love this apartment. I'm gonna be showing you guys the empty version because it's not finished being decorated yet. So like, if it's not finished, then like, why am I gonna show you like the finished product when it's not finished? Like, you know what I'm saying? I try to choose a location that like won't give away any details. I feel like if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen my little music setup kinda. So yeah. I am so excited for you guys to see how this apartment looks. So many people DM me, do the tour, and I'm here, period, because I listen. Also, bear with me on this filming because the day that we filmed was so hectic. Like, we had to move so much stuff. You guys already know the deal with moving and stuff is mad stressful. So it was stressful. So I really wasn't focused on filming, but like I did what I could do and I did what I had to do because I did what I had, what I would do, and I did good. So period. But yeah, anyways, enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Get in your bag. It's moving day. We're happy. We get to move all of this stuff to the new apartment. I like when people say it like that, apartment. I'm so excited. Y'all don't understand. Y'all, we've been living out of bags. Like, this apartment hunt has been so long, so crazy, so tiring, and I'm so excited to finally move into our space. We thank Joe for letting us stay here. A true friend. We have so much more stuff out there in the kitchen, but y'all get the point. We was living really jungle life, jungle vibes in this room. It was a mess every day. Here's me. I almost fell. So, okay, I don't know why I am moving the camera like that, so bear with me. But immediately when you walk in, you are greeted with the kitchen right away, like boom, on site. So here's our sink. It's a very big, deep sink. I'm so happy about that because I cook a lot. And then we have a stove with a grill in the middle. I've never had a stove like that, so it's lit. All soft close cabinets, and we have a hidden washer and dryer in here. Oh, can't get it open. Okay, you get the point. We hand wash our dishes. We really don't use a washer or dryer, but it's cute. Okay, so once you leave the kitchen, you're automatically greeted with the living room area. It's a huge open space, blank canvas to do whatever you want to do. And we have one closet for 2 people. Yes. But nah, we made it work. And also we have a bathroom. Of course, you can't have an apartment without a bathroom. We also have this sliding door to close. We have one huge window in the apartment, and it is a floor-to-ceiling window with this little pattern on it. It's like people can kind of see in, they kind of can't. It's cool. Okay, and next to that, we have our patio. I have always wanted to have a patio where I lived, and we finally have one, and this is so cute. It's a cute little small patio. Probably gonna put some chairs out there. Here's the view looking up at the sky. This is one of my favorite parts of the apartment. I think it looks so cool. Okay, now back inside, we obviously have our ladder to get up to the loft, and it has some shelving underneath, so that was pretty cool for extra storage. So now we're going up the ladder we go. Once you get up the ladder, you are automatically met with a built-in desk. This was so nice. We did not have to buy a desk, and we obviously do a lot of editing and music and stuff, so it's pretty cool. And there's a window, and you can see outside. That's our only window that's clearly visible. Okay, here's the little loft area. Don't ask me why I did not turn on the lights. I don't know. I was just a lot going on. They left a fan here for us, so cool, but it's just a nice space. We have this really nice fan that reverses in both directions, and that's the overview from the top. whenever I need to yell, "Bae, hey, I need you," I don't have to come all the way down. It's very loud. Okay, now going down these stairs has been a struggle, y'all. I already fell down the stairs once, okay? So we gonna go backwards. Shaquille is currently getting more stuff over at his friend's house that we were staying at. And I am unpacking and like trying to do some little bit of cleaning up, and while they're grabbing, his friend is helping us, so while they're grabbing like so much stuff, 2 cars, I'm like trying to do anything that I can do, you know, burning an incense to like, you know, get some energies out, or if there is any energy, and promote good energy. Obviously it's COVID, so just want to be safe, but I wiped down all of the handles and stuff with rubbing alcohol, and yeah, just wiping stuff down, cleaning up, just making sure that we're all good. But seriously, so in love with this apartment. Like, y'all, I've always wanted to live in a loft, you don't understand, and it is my dream, and I get to do it. I'm excited to try this out. I've never lived in a place where it snows in the winter. The final madness, how we fit all this in my car, y'all, I don't know, but it happened. So now it's unpacking time. Ooh, pray for me. 3 suitcases, like there's stuff inside of all of them. Oh my God. So yeah, that's all for this video. That is our little apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment down below what else you want to see. Obviously I'm gonna do like a finished apartment tour, but anything you want to see, anything you want to know, comment. Please like, please subscribe. Y'all continue to live your best mother effing life. Keep your mental up. Oh God, I couldn't even get back up. Oh my God. Up here, stay safe and stay popping. Period. Courtney, bye.